Welcome back, space explorers. Today we are diving into the mysteries of Mars with NASA's Curiosity rover. This incredible rover has gifted us breathtaking panoramas of the Martian surface, rocks, ridges, and landscapes unlike anything on Earth. So let's begin this cosmic journey. Now here's a real highlight, captured by the legendary Opportunity rover. Take a closer look at these fascinating rocks formations. Do you see the patterns? Some appear layered, others almost sculpted by nature itself. Scientists believe these shapes reveal Mars' geological secrets, pointing to erosion, wind, and even ancient water activity. Every rock tells a story about the planet's past. And that's just a glimpse of what these rovers are uncovering on the Red Planet. From Curiosity's sweeping panoramas to Opportunity's close encounters with Martian rocks, the story of Mars is still unfolding. If you enjoyed this journey, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing space content. Until next time, keep exploring the universe with us.